Yo, good morning guys. Welcome back to another episode. It's Monday. Just past 8 o'clock. 8:20 na pala. Papasok na tayo uli. And magbumotor tayo uli. Kasi why not? Masarap ng panahon. Warm up muna tayo. Let's go! Monday again. Natapos na naman ang ating isang linggo sa work. Day off na naman tayo ng Tuesday, Wednesday. I wonder what's in store. Anong ating gagawin? Medyo nag-warm up na naman eh. Pero it's not drastic. Mga nasa ano lang kami, mid-90s to high 90s. Pero hindi na kami nag-hit ng 100. Yeah, for some reason parang nag-warm up na naman this week, this coming week. I think last Friday yata inabot kami ng ulan. Pero sandali lang naman. Mga half an hour lang yata umulan. Maaga tayo nakapag-ready. Medyo na late lang ng alis ng bahay. Kasi pinanood ko yung bagong upload ni Amor So High. Pinag-uusapan yung pinag-usapan dun yung tungkol sa Apaw serye ng Vespa. So yun nga, kasi in-explain niya na kada 1 bar daw ng Vespa, it counts as liters. So kagaya nun, I guess may 6 na bars ata yun o 7. So binilang niya, tapos sinabi niya dun sa gas boy na 5 liters lang yung ilalagay dun sa Vespa. Yun nga yung nilagay, sakto, walang apaw. So kailangan natin subukan yung theory na yun. Yun nga lang, magko-convert tayo ng liter to gallon. Tapos yun ang gagawin natin. Pero yun pa rin ang laban eh. Kami pa rin ang maggagasolina kasi walang gas boy dito. So hindi namin pwede sabihin na kailangan sasabihin namin sa sarili namin. Kami naman dito kasi normally pag magagas kami, di ba, iiwan mo lang sa pump yung nozzle dun sa kotse, tapos run mo yun na automatic hanggang sa mapuno. Tapos pag puno na, pitikin mo pa yun para mas mapuno pa. Wait, ano yan? European siguro yung mga yan. That was cool. Nakakaingit naman sila. Tayo magwo-work, sila mag-a-adventure. Damn! Namatay na yung ating 360. Okay, we are here sa work. Namatay yung 360 natin at the point na makasabay natin yung mga adventure bikes. Sana kahit pa paano may nakuha. Uy, car wash. Kano kaya? That's right. Where's the... ¿Cuánto? ¿Cuánto?
It's outside, right? Not inside, right?
I want inside, dude.
Give me 20 bucks. Hey.
Yeah.
Who did it?
Who was in that yesterday? It was Tyler. Yun, papakarwash tayo ng Motorski. Tanggalin natin si 360. Ikot-ikot muna kayo. May hilo kayo. Hilo. Yan, timigil na. But we'll see you guys later. Alright guys, later. Yo, we're back. It's time to go home.
Hey, all things considered,
Yes.
ask me tomorrow after lunch.
Ask you tomorrow what?
Or-
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You know what?
Yeah.
Oh,
You let me know. You text me.
and we had the usual, I don't know, if he doesn't want to jump on it early, they usually do it at 3 o'clock.
Yeah. Damn, the bike's clean, bro. It's so light right now.
For my gas mileage. But you should ride it like 2 hours with Jessica. And you got more room in the garage?
No. I'm gonna get in trouble if she rides that. She's gonna love it so much.
I'm sure we can come to an agreement.
Right now, there's only one Vespa in the garage because I have the Harley in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
When do you give that back?
When he wants it back, which is not gonna happen, so it's technically my bike now.
He got miles on it.
Yeah, he doesn't ever use it. I already put like 150 miles in it.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm at 9,800 on this.
I'm at 8,500. You passed me already. Big Mac is already at 12,000 miles.
Yeah, but it's way out there. It rides more than us.
Yeah. Yeah, I hope there's no traffic. I hope it's like this the whole way.
Yeah. This is how the Harley riders are going side by side, which is kind of sketchy because if you want to ditch out of the way, you kind of don't have room, but
Yeah.
it's kind of cool though.
Yeah, especially on my 360.
Also the cops are doing the same thing. They're side by side and chill out.
It keeps you on your
And
toes.
if you get busy, you can move up and split lanes. 97 degrees on my dash.
98 on mine.
And I think tomorrow is going to be even
Warmer.
today. Not by much. But
Yeah.
That's what they say.
It's still gonna be under 100 the whole week.
Yeah, no, I'm still riding on that one. Go ahead and move up in front of me and start splitting
Okay.
as you feel comfortable. Everybody's gonna turn in that left lane.
Alright, Georgie, thanks for lunch today, man.
Enjoy your weekend and we'll text tomorrow.
Yeah, enjoy your tomorrow's Friday for you.
Yeah.
Alright, man. Thank you. Good night.
Have a good night.
Connection lost.
Alright, that's it. Nakahiwalay na sa atin si George. Ang dami niyang kwento, no? Sabi sa inyo eh. We can start a George T Chronicles on our vlogs. Marami siyang kwento talaga, which is good, you know. But anyways, that's our day for today. It's my Friday again. Doon na tayo sa exit magkwentuhan. Medyo mahangin, so baka wala lang kayo maintindihan sa akin. There you go. Naka-exit na tayo. So kanina pala si Mr. Sarap Vlogs, off siya today eh. pumunta siya sa work, ginawa niya yung kanyang anniversary experience. So lahat ng pwedeng gawin sa work namin halos ginawa niya. So dumating siya ng maaga eh. Siguro dun siya mga before 9 actually. So ginawa niya yung ginawa niya yung tour, ATV tours, tapos nag-off-road siya. Tapos nung hapon, nag-drive din siya ng exotic. Nag-drive siya ng Porsche 992 GT3 RS. Ayos naman, ganda ng oras niya. Si Omar TV yung nag-instruct sa kanya. So maganda naman yung nakuha niyang time. Actually, that's pretty fast. So marami nang natutunan si Mr. Sarap Vlog sa pagdadrive, sa kanyang pagiging instructor for the last 3 years. Kaya syempre, maganda rin naman yung yung magaling din yung instructor niya, si Omar TV yung nagturo sa kanya mag-drive. So yeah, they did a fast lap. 5 laps lang naman yung nag-drive niya, pero he managed to do the best of 53.4, which is nga yung kinuna natin. Ayan, tuwan-tuwa nga siya sa kanyang results.
It's the coach.
Tapos si Joanna, yung kanyang fiancé, sumama sa ATV tours. Tapos rin siya, nag-ride along siya, nag-high speed ride along siya. Si Omar TV din na nag-drive. So ayos din, buong araw sila nandun. Talagang na-experience na yung pagiging customer sa trabaho namin. Alright, we made it to another week. Day off na naman tayo. That's it. Doon na lang matatapos ang ating vlog for today. Thank you for coming and thank you for joining us. Nagpa-car wash din pala tayo kanina, which is nakasama na yun sa video, I'm sure. So hopefully meron tayo ma-vlog this day off natin, para meron naman tayo ma-share. Back to Vespa naman tayo hopefully. And that's it. We'll see you guys on the next episode, okay? Thank you so much. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.